Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Myntri ka Tyngka jong ka sorkar pedeng ka Nirmala Sitharaman henne ka sngi habakren ha ka jingelang balapelong halariti kala ai ka jingero agi Paidbah ka jela Meghalaya ki banadu umen barim kidangdon kata ka jing start ha ka baydei berkakhayi ka pateng ka khut ka suba ka long briu man briu bat kiwei ka finance minister ka penpawi ka jingero ya ka rukom perkhat perdan jong ki Khasi bat ka rukom penne pensa ya ka me maryang Kasi Tharaman kalakren halor santli ki Ktien Khasi bat batai ru ya ka jingmut jongka ka tip briu tip blei ka Kamai ya ka hok ka tip kur tip kha ka bhalang ka imlang bat ka mei ramau ki ringko ki basa shu ka Tharaman ka ong bakini ki Ktien bat ki jingmut kinya sha ka jingmut jing perkhat jongka bat kanyai Pynkynmaw ha ka linti ya jongka kum ka Nongialam.
I'd like to take this opportunity when the entire cabinet of Meghalaya is here, people of Meghalaya are before me. I'm taking a risk in my pronunciation, but I utterly value these 5 great principles. They are very consistent with what India and globally all of us are doing. Ka tip brew tip blind. I don't know if it was making sense. Ka tip brew tip blind. If you want to know God, know man first. Meaning, to know man is to know God. So if you really are keen to live your life with the blessing of God, live with knowing man. So I Samai Yaka Hok. I hope you're not laughing at my pronunciation. But Kamai Hok is very important to me. You earn righteousness. Meaning, doing business with integrity actually resonates with the core of responsible, sustainable business practices. So we are trying to build businesses, we want FPOs, we want to sell our pineapples, and we want to reach the world with all the great artisanry that we've got here. But we also have to earn righteousness for all this to succeed. And that has to get infused in the policy making that we do. So that is something, again, I bow to the Khasi language for having given that virtuous line. The third, katip kurtip ka. I hope I'm all right. Respect for kinship and community. So unless the essence of what all of us are doing is reflective of the respect that we have for our relatives, for our people, for our community, from where we grew, from where we learned our values and virtues, what use is it if I succeed? So, kartip kurtip ka. We have to respect kinship and community. And again, thanks for the wisdom of the Khasi people for having come up with these golden words. The next, ka balang ka imlang. I'm okay? Ka balang ka imlang. Meaning what you do should be for the common good. You cannot be so righteous, or you cannot be so clever, or you cannot be so successful that you succeed, but you succeed at the cost of somebody else. You succeed, but your community gets nothing of it. You succeed, but it's not for the common good, it's purely for your selfish good. No, Khasi people have in their wisdom said, do what is for the common good. Of course you do for your good as well. But do for common good is a foundational principle, which is what is today's sustainability, shared prosperity. You get all this from the Western world today. They tell you that every policy, unless it is going to be for the common good, we shall not fund from the World Bank, we shall not fund from so and so and so on. In very many different ways they say it. But isn't that the wisdom of the Khasi people? Is it something new for us? Didn't we know about it? But when it is being reminded, we have to doubly remind ourselves that that's all right. We respect that. But our people have said it here in the Khasi land. Our people, our headmen have told this to every villager. Is May Ramu. May Ramu. May Ramu. And there's something else, one more bit. Ki rinko ki basa. Absolutely important in this day and age when we are talking. There's no point if we forget to respect nature. That's what has given us the blue sky, the green, valleys, the mountains with the wonderful trees, the wonderful freshwater streams, the lakes, the beauty of Meghalaya, the clouds. You're passing through clouds every day. What fortunate people to live in Meghalaya. Breathing fresh air, drinking water which quenches the thirst. I cannot but every time I drink water in Meghalaya say this. Water quenches thirst in Meghalaya. There are places where I drink water, it fills my belly, but no, thirst is still there in my tongue. Beautiful state, beautiful people, wonderful blessing of the nature, and that's why you have said in your language, respect nature. Mai Ramu, Ki Rinko Ki Basa. Wonderful message. I'm sharing your message to you. Pardon me if it is some kind of a transgression. But this is what I think I would take away home, because these are messages which are very relevant for today's governance.